Hello, beautiful people. I am here today to share with you a favorite new recipe of mine for raw cabbage salad. And it's absolutely delicious and it's so simple to make. I've got it all laid out here for you. So take a couple of minutes with me and learn how to do it. All right, the first thing I'll do is I'll share the actual recipe so you can make sure that you have the ingredients with you in your home. Feel free to take a screenshot if you'd like. And then we'll talk about what you need. You need 1 head of cabbage, 1 red onion, 1 green organic apple. I didn't have green, so I used red organic apple, so that's all right too. But green is good for prebiotics, which really help with your gut biome. You'll need 1 lemon, fresh lemon. And then you'll need about a half a cup of raw organic almonds. That's what's going in the actual salad. For the dressing, you're going to need 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of raw unfiltered honey, 2 tablespoons of the best olive oil that you can buy, whatever you can afford. My secret ingredient is doTERRA's lemon essential oil, which just a drop or 2 in your salad dressing is going to freshen the whole thing up, make it really bright and happy. And then salt and pepper to taste. So what did I do? Chop up that cabbage head, the entire head, chop it fine, add it to a bowl. And then you're going to do the same thing with the red onion. After that, you're going to do the same thing with the apple, and you're going to chop it up into matchsticks. Slice it into really thin slices, and then slice those slices into matchsticks and add that as well. Then you'll take the lemon, slice it in half, and squeeze half of your lemon over the top of your apples to keep it from browning. Plus it adds just a nice little flavor there. Then you're going to take your almonds and you'll put it in a dry frying pan and put it on the stove and just dry roast it for maybe 3-4 minutes, something like that, just until it's roasted a little bit. Take it off the stove and put it on a cutting board and chop it up fine. You'll add that to the bowl. Then you'll take all of your dressing ingredients and put it in a lidded jar. I just use a mason jar with a plastic lid. You'll put them all in there in one place and you'll shake it up real well. And especially you want to make sure that that honey gets distributed evenly. Pour the dressing over the top of all of your other ingredients in the bowl and toss it and enjoy it and eat it. It's absolutely the best cabbage salad I've ever had. It's wonderful. Here's that recipe again in case you'd like to see it again. I am in school to become a nutritional therapy practitioner, so I'm really excited to be able to share recipes with y'all here as well. I made a reel that I posted on my Instagram channel, and so I'm going to share that here with you. I hope you enjoy it. Go ahead and like and subscribe. May the Lord bless you. May He keep you. May He make His face to shine upon you, and may He grant you His peace. God bless you guys.
I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day, in every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. I needed that.